we know that music can come from the most unlikely of places, and that's what we want to find.
And I think it's high time that we dig even deeper. Malakas ang OPM ngayon.
It was already hard to, sort of showcase yourself out there, even more during the pandemic. What we're doing here with, the Sound of 7,000 is we're bringing that back and still giving the chance and opportunity to people despite and in spite of the pandemic. I feel like it's giving a lot of hope and chance to the musicians out there.
The Sound of 7,000 is really meant to showcase the entire variety of sounds that you will get in the Philippines.
We really want to help many new artists po out there. 7K is here to help many artists, lalo na po yung mga bago na artists.
I'm super excited for you guys to see the show.
You cannot find another entity that will change your mood in 3 minutes. That's the power of music.
Please stay tuned to the Sound of 7,000 Christmas songs, coming real soon.